Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can play NBA Live Mobile with your friends. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. And this is how the homepage looks like. As you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find Live Pass, Live Today, Leaks, Limited Time Events, Showdown, and lastly Campaigns. Right here, if you come to Leaks, as you can see guys, you can change the mode. So there is actually PvP, Leaks, Season, and lastly Play Friends. Go ahead and click on Play Friends. And right here, as you can see guys, I don't have any friends. So I have this message saying no friends are currently playing NBA Live Mobile. Have your friends join in on the fun. Connect to Facebook to get started. Basically, guys, if you want to add friends, you need to have them on Facebook firstly, and then you need to link your Facebook account to NBA Live Mobile. As you can see, guys, from here, you're gonna see also your friends that are playing, and lastly, complete it. So go back to the home page and then click on settings on the top right corner. And then once you click on settings, right here, you're going to find preferences, link accounts, gameplay tutorials, help manual, and so on. Go ahead and click on link account, click on this link button. And then right here, you're going to find your Google Play Games account, your device, and lastly, your Facebook account. So go ahead and click on link next to Facebook, and then they will ask you to log into your account. And after that, your Facebook account will be linked to NBA Live Mobile. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.